I used to believe and think that college is going to be fun, but most of the time, sad, lonely, pressuring, can also be depressive. It seems just like yesterday. I just graduated and finished my elementary, attended my moving up ceremony for junior high, graduated senior high. After attending acquaintance party, Christmas party, intramurals, senior high school days. Can't believe how fast things are. But I have slowly lived into it. Now, I graduated from my senior high. I also turned 18, which means my senior high school series is finally coming to an end. But that means college chapter is about to begin.
You make me feel a little higher. The things you do, they make me smile. You make me feel so You make me feel a little higher. It's like there's something in your eyes, girl. You make me feel so
Hey guys, it's me SWRT Sword and welcome to another video! Bumalik na po ko by Monday sa Kadlaon. So that's college life! I'm just so grateful kay my classmates. They're so kind. The environment there, so far, it's been so beautiful. And the Waray dialect wasn't so much of a barrier kay sa akong class, and of course the teachers kay required sila to speak English. So I wasn't having trouble catching up. Sa ako po mga classmates, mga English paka sila guys. Mga Taglish. Siguro it's to my advantage po kay somehow I can speak both except Waray. So whenever mo speak sila Waray mo chika, mo ko nga, sorry, I don't speak Waray. Daghan akong times nga mabisdak akong Tagalog. Kaya example, if mo kong tawid, akong sulti, tabok. Tatabok ka be? Ganon. Tatabok ka ba? And then, akong na-adapt at to. Sige na ko yun, talaga? Cause like, I don't speak Bisaya there. Kaya wala may Bisaya dito. So I always like, talaga?
Happy birthday, Mamo! Happy birthday, Mamo!
Oh, after no naman na ay. Ako bagas ako eye bags and then super pimples. Kay exam week na mo last week. Napa ko yung remaining 3 exams karon nga week. Next week. Wala na ako video ang exam this week kay mahadlok ko man jinx. Mostly siguro dyan makita kay magluto ko, magkaon ko ako raw sa, manglabak nga ako, manghugas nga ako. Yan. And then maglakaw-lakaw ko nga ako raw sa, magsuri-suri ko nga ako raw sa. Life. Ipadalaan kong papa og usa ka kilo nga adobo nga hora init-initon. So mao ni siya. Ingo nagtanong pa si Ma'am Sino, may nakita ako classmate. Wala sa akin. Kinabahan ba ako, mabuti nga ulam po na siya. Meron sa amin, nakabukas yung tubig. Pinagbayad kaming lahat. Kasi nung nag-aral ako, narinig ko, malakas yung tubig. Akala ko tumatae. Kasi bakit ko naman papakailaman, di ba? Kasi baka tumatae. Tapos ayun na, nagulat na lang ako, pinagalitan na kami. Yun na nga, napatagalog na nga ako guys. Nung nakaming apay,
Adto na day, wala daw na lock ang gate. We are one of the people na ugay ning uli. So kami ang suspect. So gipatawag ko sa office kahapon. Hasta po sila gipatawag. Kami may nanggawa. Nampod sila sa gawa sa ato nga time. So gisuspect din madam. Ako man siya itong nilaak. Vlog mo na ulam. Oh! Pwede naman.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. Seen it all, yeah. But if I lay down.
Choose either single car riding or NASCAR racing.
Okay, third wheel na po ko karon and mauban ko nila ate sa Boss Cafe. Mag-study out sila. Ako, mutan-or pagsalita ato. Mutan ako Vampire Diaries. Pimple ko kay ever since birthday na ako, grabe ang hormones like sa among funda, ingana, merchandising. Oh, merchandising. Oh, ingana na. Pero basic pa.
Let's say drawings, internship mo. So dire mo invest ng ano, for example.
Imo rang bayluan.
Kaon tanan.
Oo.
Let's say kaon.
Basta kay dili na wala na intensyon nga mo balik.
Murag
ibalik.
iyang intention kay ba.
Hey guys, so karon ang laba ko. Sa una, dito sa amin, medyo ko manglaba. Sa tinauran. Medyo kati ko manglaba. Pero karon nga nagdirin ako. Sige na akong laba. Ang kati ko na ako mukos-kuso.
Veteran collector. Please submit your
That is the exact renowned statement or
This is Japanese occupation. Many atrocities happen and experience male at the Philippines.
And we also had to check the membership. It has similar strokes and styles. Though there were some inconsistencies. It was actually authentic.
Use that particular document and confirm.
Yes, sir, because mention any much more deeper information compared to the Filipino.
Or if not, more absolute extension. But it cannot have both. Hindi pwede parehas. So if a term has more comprehension, it has less extension or absolute extension.
Wasn't fully able to storytell everything that happened anang nga day kay nabad trip jud ko kay ang ahong artwork kay mura si Jag Titanic nga nalubog. Wala nga akong mga classmate is super fighter.
So, Derek, paano kapag namatay na si Magellan? Ouch!
Strategist. My expedition will seek a westward route.
For Fernando D. Magallanes and Spanish ship in the fleet with 32 men on betrayal and hardship.
Thanks, G! I thought we lost them! Is that the Spice Islands? Real or fake? Philippines!
Supposedly, karon ko uli. Pero na may compulsory mass. So, ayun sabay nga. Dili na lang ta kumaten sa mass. Ay, di mo ko ganahan yung community service and hinulo sa school. So, na po ko sugatan. Sa art appreciation exam, kailangan may drawing exact application lang. Application dito lang. Like, si ma'am kay ikaw ang gihagbong. Di man si hagbong, pero kamay sa murado. 10/15. Sa essay ko ni nakabaw 100 ko sa essay. Sa drawing. So, I had my PE classes wherein bali usad jud ka week akong pag-suffer ani nga exercise na 10 minutes ra tungod kay na-drain akong lawas. As you can see, sa ako nga exercise, tagsa na lang gani pa jud, wala pa jud kog nag-pray. Of course, college is not just all about studying but also having fun. So I attended this pageant sa school wherein super picato na ilang mga judges. So I had to film it kaya na-amaze ko. But the most part na ako yung gi-hate kajud ang part nga ning kanta o ning serenade ang guest. Like, hilak-hilak jud ko ani nga part. Nagbako ko ako ra usa sa likod. Nagtawag ko ni Risa kay gisakitan jud ko sa song. Paitira jud yung tingog. And nakarealize jud ko maundang di ko ganahan jud OPM song kay it just hits so different na. Heartbroken jud ko.
Hi guys! How do you feel? Here, stranded kay nag Earthquake.
5.5. That's so strong.
Yeah, strong.
Parang duyan, ganun, nakasway.
Yes, guys.
I-TikTok nga natin. Tiramisu.
I'm going home to see my family. Diligid ko kasulti adto sa among boarding house kay I feel like it's such a public place na I'm so not comfortable speaking. Dugan ako ningon nila mama na adto ko sa St. Paul. Along the academic year, yun sila mama na I should stay sa school na po. But then for some reason, they allowed me to even try transferring. I never tried transferring. And I feel like this is a way for me to grow. Imagine! Of all the years that I should learn how to laba and to iron and to cook my own dinner, nga na. Diha sa boarding house ko naka-learn ana, tanan. Ako like, if mukaon ko sa gawas, nga na, mag-guilty jud ko og dili na ko mahulog ang rice, ang sudaan, or if magluto ko guys, so di na ko mahurot na yung mga panos, mag-guilty jud ko ana. Di ako naka-learn ana kay mahal ang pagkaon nun sayang-sayang. And nga na akong realization, a lot of things. But the thing is like, in college jud, bisan pagdahan ng friends, you really have to learn to be alone. Yeah, and there are also times na I just lakaw-lakaw ako alone, and then magpa-music or magtuon outside alone. It's nice, it's not sad. But there are also times na mingawan ko sa akong CM class, CM fam. Like, everyone jud, kila-kila ko, I hate rain.